In this video, I want to share with you a Valentine's Day sub-niche that not too many people know about. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you that Valentine's Day sub-niche, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Monday, January 6th, 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Already got one sale. And yesterday I had 42 sales, did $46 in royalties. And that's going to put me at 174 sales for the month and $194 for royalties for the month. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like family pics, gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the Valentine's Day sub-niche that not too many people know about that I want to share with you is Galentine's Day. And if you don't know what Galentine's Day is, you can come over here to ChatGPT and ask. So I always like to start off by saying hello. So the AI is nice to me, and I just asked, what is Galentine's Day? And Galentine's Day is a fun, unofficial holiday celebrated on February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. It's all about honoring female friendship and showing appreciation for your girlfriends. Whether you're single or in a relationship, the holiday was popularized by this TV show where the character Leslie Knope throws a Galentine's Day brunch for her close friends. It's typically marked by hanging out with your best female friends, exchanging gifts or cards, having a girls' night out, or just doing something special together. It's a celebration of platonic love and the importance of a strong supportive friendship between women. So basically, it's it's when women get together for like brunch or lunch the day before Valentine's Day. And the reason why this came on my radar is I actually got into this niche last year, and I got a couple sales, and I actually just wanted to share that with you. So right here, if we go to this month, I'll actually show you the design. So it's right here. Which one is it? I believe it's this one right here. Yeah. So this is my design right here. You can see Galentine's Crew. So you can do maybe something similar like this, and you can see, not everything is low price. $17.99. That gives me a nice royalty of $3.41. But let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into this niche so I can share with you how you can get sales like this. So I'm just going to jump on over here to Merch Dominator, and I'm in the product search category. I just hit Merch by Amazon search. I just want to search Merch by Amazon shirts. And the first thing I like to do, or that I want to show you, is the competition. All right, because that's, for me, is probably the most important. And right here, we're going to see there's only 586 Merch by Amazon shirts for this niche here. And actually, this is mine right here, right at the top, so that's kind of cool. But check out these BSRs. So this one right here, 215. Mine's sitting at 895, under a million. And you see we got some pretty good BSRs. This one's 339. Another one under a million. And these BSRs are going to get lower as we get closer to February 13th. And what I like to do here is basically just look for repetition or duplicates. And one repetition that we're going to see a lot of is this Galentine's Gang. So here's one Galentine's Gang. Let's see if we can find another one, because I saw a bunch of them. So here's another one, Galentine's Gang. So that's 2, 3, and I think that was kind of it for for Merch Dominator. But if we go over to Flying Research, I like to have both. You can see here's another Galentine's Gang one. Galentine's Gang. I thought this was kind of a cool idea. You can take a profession or a career, like they're doing right here, plastic surgery, Galentine's Gang. So think of like, a profession where there's a lot of women, maybe it's like nurses or like teachers. You can do like nurses, a specific type of nurse, so like NICU, nurses, Galentine's Gang, where they all get together for brunch, or maybe it's for like teachers. Another one I saw a lot of was just a simple happy Galentine's Day. So something kind of like this. You see that one's sitting at 472. I'm not doing this type of design style anymore, in the niche and then the era. I used to do a lot of it, but I think it got kind of, it's a little dangerous now. But here, another Galentine's Gang. This is with the messy bun. So you can just get a simple messy bun like this, some type of Valentine's Day one, put some type of Galentine's Gang text below it. And also another thing, it doesn't have to be just gang. You could also do like crew or squad. I always talk about how that does really well. But you see how looks like a pretty good niche. Oh, this one also. So right here, we're cross-niching Valentine's Day with African American women. So that's another really good idea, very specific. Let's see if we can find any other ones. Happy Valentine's Day. So I think those are the best options probably, would be Valentine's Gang or Happy Valentine's Day. Or if you don't want to do a Valentine's Gang, you could do a Valentine's Crew or Squad. All right, and I actually made some designs on my Creative Fabrica shop using ideogram. So right here, this is my Creative Fabrica shop. The link is in my description. So if you just come to the description, you'll just right here see Creative Fabrica shop, and I made these using ideogram. If you want to sign up to ideogram, I have an affiliate link right here. You get 100 bonus prompts. Let's go back to Creative Fabric right here and take a look at those Valentine's Day designs that I made. So every day is Valentine's Day Social Club, and Valentine's Girls Club, ladies celebrating ladies. And I also saw this a lot, mainly on Etsy, but here where you have the Valentine's Day text, and then in the middle you have like a cocktail, a martini, a mimosa, because a lot of the women that will be wearing these shirts, they go out to like brunch or lunch. And one thing that I also noticed, when people buy this niche, they don't just usually, I mean, sometimes they'll buy one, but a lot of times they'll buy like 3 or 4 because they're buying it for their whole girl gang, their whole bunch of girlfriends. And a couple other Valentine's Day ones that I have here. Now, if you're looking for more Valentine's Day ideas or niches, I actually put out, let me go to ideogram. I made a Word file with 25 Valentine's Day prompts. It's like right here. So if you're looking for more ideas, you can get all of these prompts right here to make designs similar like this. And I have it in my PayHip shop. So right here, it is this one. You just click on this. It's only $3 for 30 Valentine's Day prompts. And if you want to watch the video and get more information, you just copy and paste this YouTube link into the your browser, and you can take a look at that. All right, so that is the low competition sub niche that I have for you for Valentine's Day. Good one, because we got Valentine's Day coming up. We can see that it's low in competition. Not too many people know about it, and it is selling. And I just got 4 sales on it the other day. Gave me a nice $14 or $15 in royalties. If you're looking for other resources to help you increase your sales on Merch by Amazon, you got ideogram. These are all my affiliate links. You can buy other AI prompts. So if you just go back here, like maybe you want some, let's see, what else would make sense? Like 100 days of school. Well, maybe it might be a little too late for that one. But 100 prompts for March, if you like to like plan ahead. St. Patrick's Day, Mardi Gras, Valentine's Day, or if you just want some evergreen prompts, check these out. It's only 10 cents a prompt. So you can use these for ideogram, and then also got Merch Dominator and Flying Research. So these are the research tools that I use to find low competition trending niches or just evergreen niches, just to do like niche research basically. I also have a course for beginners. So if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, you need some guidance, I would highly recommend that you check out this course. Now it is for beginners, so if you're advanced, I probably wouldn't recommend it for you. But it's really good for beginners, only $25. And then let's see, what else do I got? So Creative Fabrica, my shop. If you want to sign up and become a member with Creative Fabrica, I have an affiliate link here. Pretty Merch, and then Everbee and Printful. These are for Etsy. So I also do Etsy, which is right here on my Instagram. You can see like this is the amount of revenue I'm doing. So this is not profit. This is revenue. I make about 35% usually. These are my end of December. But if we go back down here, we can see I had some pretty good big days during Christmas. So like 366, 448, 290, 440. So, oh wow, look at that. Yeah, so December was pretty good. So if you want to, get into Etsy, I would highly recommend Everbee. This is the best research tool. And then Printful is who I use to like supply and fill my t-shirts. All right, so yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. It's Valentine's Day. Again, these are my prompts, or these are my designs on Creative Fabrica. So you can do something like this. But if you have any questions or comments, make sure to comment them below. I will respond to them. That's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.